Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So today's our guest is Mr. Aaron and he is from England. So let's welcome to him. Welcome Mr. Aaron. Hey, how are you, Bilal? Yeah, I'm great. Thanks for asking. Have a seat, please.
So, Aaron, today's conversation is related to speaking skill, that how we can enhance our communication skill. So, you have to teach us that how we can understand the native speakers and how we can speak also like that. Well, it's an interesting topic, and the question is that how we can understand the native speakers. Well, it's a difficult task for non-native speaker, but if if you are really interested to understand them, their accent, their tone, so first you have to learn the basic level of English. What are the basic levels? Like first you must have to speak a normal, like how are you, where are you going, what's your name. Start with these basic sentences. After that you just need to listen the native speakers carefully. So this is the right way to enhance your communication skill, and you can also understand the native speakers. But if you will say you are directly into watching movies, dramas, or you are saying that we can understand them without knowing the basic sentences, it's not possible. Is it so? We think that we can learn English through watching movies and dramas with subtitles. But now you are saying that first we have to come up with the basic level of English. After that, we can watch movies. So yeah, you're totally right, because we cannot understand their tone, their accent, and even the English as well. So first we have to come up with the basic level. After that, we can go to the advanced level, which is the native speakers. Yes, Mark, that's true. So, Aaron, there is another question, that which accent is better? Because most of the students, they are willing to learn accent, but they really don't know which accent is better and which accent we should have to grab. So you have to tell us that which accent we should have to grab, or and why. Accent is the third priority. First, you have to be clear in your pronunciation, and second, your language must be clear. That means you must have to know that how can you convey your message to the other person, so the other person will get you clearly and in a very simple way. So basically, English is just a language. You are conveying your message to the other person. If you are using any kind of accent, and your accent is, something like weird, and your pronunciation is totally different, like no one can understand you at that time, what's the use of your accent? So your first priority is to be clear your pronunciation, and also your language. If you are speaking English, so make sure you are speaking right. Your grammatically structure should be correct, and another things there are also including like pauses, punctuation, like these. While you are speaking, you must have to react like that. So these are important things. Accent is the third priority. And if someone is really interested to learn accent, so the British accent is better. If you are not going to USA like America, while if you are going to America, then you should have to grab the American accent, because there are American speakers. But if you are not going to USA, then you have to learn or grab the British accent, which is a little bit, I can say, complicated. But I'm really not into any kind of accent. I'm just speaking normal, and yeah, I'm happy with my language. But I will suggest to every student, if you are if you want to learn accent, then British is better. But I will not say you to grab this accent, but because there is no need of it. Well, that's a good point. My third question is that how we can learn English through listening, because most of the teachers they are saying that if we will listen native speakers carefully or someone that who is speaking English, so we can learn English through listening. So can you tell me that what is the procedure like? How we can learn through listening power? I don't understand. Listening can really help you to speak better English, especially when you are going to copying some accent. Because when you go through in any kind of environment where the people are speaking English and you don't know even a single sentence of that English, but if you will listen them carefully and gradually you will be able to speak like them. So this is the impact of listening part. When you listen someone, you copy dialogues automatically. So this is the really right way to speak and to enhance your speaking skill by listening them carefully. So yeah, this is really interesting. Oh, thank you, Mr. Aaron, and thanks for your precious time. You're welcome, Mal.